前工程と後工程とあって、この融合はむっちゃくちゃ難しいです。新しいイノベーションが出てくるかなっていうふうには思ってます。まずは
When Rapidus was first established, we had the Silicon Technology Division working on front-end technology development. At the same time, we had a separate organization for the back-end, the 3D Assembly Division. On April 1st, 2025, we decided to merge these two divisions and create what we now call the Rapidus Engineering Center. One of the important things about Rapidus is that our president and our top management truly want to bring front-end and back-end processes together. That mindset at the top is extremely important. Bringing front-end and back-end processes together is incredibly hard. The cultures are different. The terminology is different. Even though we're all in the same semiconductor industry, there's traditionally been very little interaction between these areas. Now that the Rapidus Engineering Center is in place, I feel like this integration has finally started little by little. I believe this will become a major strength for us in the future. So I am fully committed to handling this initiative through thoroughly. The real innovation will come because front-end and back-end processes are working together in the same place. The people who have joined Rapidus are extremely sharp. They're very strong individuals with sharp intuition and tenacity. Because of that, it's important to bring all these sharp talents together and align them in the same direction. Rapidus has a very clear goal, and moving toward that goal is essential. At the same time, managements play a key role in connecting these strong individuals organically, so they can really work as one. If you want to create innovation, it's not enough to stay within your own technical field. You have to connect your technology with something different. If you only look at your own area, it's actually very hard for real innovation to emerge. Of course, we do have competitors. But even so, we want to work with others in a win-win way whenever possible. We have very strong and friendly relationships with the United States. In the back-end area, we collaborate with Fraunhofer in Germany and with IMEC in Belgium. Naturally, we also have our neighbors in Asia, and it's important that we work well with them too. In that sense, I think it would be great if we could bring people together globally without creating enemies. Not creating enemies, in fact, can be a real strength. To do that, we need to build a very high-level culture, almost a shared mindset across organizations. I hope that by working together with everyone, we can create a world where we can keep taking on new challenges again and again. From the very beginning, our management philosophy has been about how semiconductors can make society and people happier. So making semiconductors is not the goal itself. The goal is to make people happy. Today, society is becoming much more convenient thanks to AI, and we want to help accelerate that trend. I think AI will take on more and more work for us. Because of that, we may finally be able to spend more time with our families or enjoy entertainment and other things that matter to us. Personally, I hope we can create a society where humans and AI can truly coexist in a positive way.